So, we meet again. What's up, you guys? It's Brendan. Hope you guys are all doing well today. And today, we're going to be talking about why small businesses are important in our lives, some cryptocurrency news, and my crypto project that I am currently in right now that I see high opportunities in. So, first things first, why small businesses are important in our lives. Small businesses are vital because they generate chances for entrepreneurs and meaningful jobs with higher work satisfaction than positions in bigger, typical corporations. They help local economies by keeping money close to home and by assisting towns and communities. Now, to add on to that, they account for 99.7% of all U.S. businesses. Money spent at a local business generates 3.5 times more wealth for the local economy. They generate 54% of U.S. sales. They've employed 54.8 million Americans all throughout. 28.8 million small businesses nationwide. They've created 66% net new jobs since the 70s. Now, getting into what a small business owner should understand and teach their employees when they hire new employees. So job satisfaction plus engagement equals productivity. Employers who receive recognition throughout the year are more satisfied in their jobs, according to the Workforce Mood Tracker survey. Look it up, it's a real number. Praise hard work. It's easy to overlook basics like a simple thank you for a job well done. Motivate your staff. Frequent small incentives are highly effective. Think weekly and monthly rather than annual. Let's get to the back here. Let's get to the back and communicate. Communication. Guys, communication is so key. You guys need to listen to this. Building a strong relationship with your employees ensures they will talk to you about any problems, leading to a faster resolution and a speedier return to productivity. You know, if you just leave your employer, like if you know that they're in a bad mood and you just don't say anything about it, their work productivity is going to be at an all-time low. It's going to be. They're not going to care for their job that much. All that's going to be thinking in their head, all they're going to be thinking in their head is, you know, whatever is happening in their mind. Whether it's mental illness, whether it's, you dealt with a heartbreak. You know, anything along those lines, the owner or the person who is running that business as a manager, assistant manager, anybody, you have to communicate. Have to communicate with your employers, because then they may just leave the job. They may not care for the job anymore. They may think, oh, this job is horrible. Seriously. And so you also have to make them comfortable. Inexpensive things like free water, healthy snacks, and ergonomic chairs. Show your employees that you are interested in their comfort level. And the bottom line, make your employees like their jobs. Who doesn't want to work at a place and not like their job? It just doesn't make any sense at all. Seriously. And that's what's happening nowadays. Nobody has the motivation anymore to be able to communicate, trust your employees, and make them feel comfortable. Bottom line. Make your employees like their jobs. And that's really it for small business standards. There's a lot more that we can talk about too. You know, you have advertisements that you can get out there. You need to get advertisements out there, because without advertising, your business is not going to grow. Without the content like this video that I'm putting out there right now, you're not going to grow. And you know, it could take upwards to weeks, months, years. You just got to do it. You got to put in the effort. You have to get it out there. Countless amounts of research every single day. Think of this. I got this from Gary V. Shout out Gary V. 50 hours of homework a week. That may sound really stupid right now, but think about it. You put 50 hours of homework, you put 50 hours of research of whatever it may be, stocks, crypto, your business specifically. You put the 50 hours of work in a week, you're guaranteed to get smarter, stronger, and mentally ready for your job in the future. Now that we got that out of the way, gotta take a little G Fuel break. Cryptocurrency talk. Let's get into some cryptocurrency. So the topic for cryptocurrency today is, why is crypto so volatile? Is crypto more volatile than stocks? And how is it volatile? So the first, why is crypto so volatile? As it states right here, it remains to be seen if crypto volatility will eventually replicate volatility patterns seen in traditional assets. However, as the asset class grows and develops, it will very certainly continue to display outsized volatility until it reaches full maturity at some point in the future. Now, for example, we can look at Bitcoin right here. For example, Bitcoin's price, like other commodities, assets, investments, or other things that you may be invested into in the cryptocurrency world, it's significantly influenced by what? Supply and demand. If you don't know what supply and demand is, take a look at it on Google. It's very simple to understand and realize what supply and demand is. Like I said, 50 hours of homework a week. I can't just tell you this and be like, oh, let's listen to Brendan because he's right 100%. No, I'm not. I'm nowhere near a financial advisor whatsoever. I'm here to motivate you guys. For the people that are out there wanting to do this and be in the same position that I am in, do it. For example, or another example, I should say. Me and my dad, we have 2 businesses right now that we're starting up and getting LLCs for. The first one, Bell & Company, which is actually not Bell & Company anymore, believe it or not. Because a lady over here in the Michigan area actually provided an LLC and now has an LLC set up for Bell & Company. She didn't essentially take the name because we just haven't set up the LLC. This is the lazy factor. You can't be lazy. You can nowhere by any means be lazy at all. So back to the crypto and why it's so volatile. Is crypto more volatile than stocks? Cryptocurrency is far more volatile than equities, but investment returns are in either option, they're never assured. It's never assured. Again, I'm nowhere near a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to put your money into Bitcoin and hope for it to grow, because you could see something real bad happen with the market at any time. It's decentralized as well too. So your chances of your money getting stolen or whatever the case may be is at an all-time high. Watch out for that. How is cryptocurrency volatile? Cryptocurrency is volatile since it's still in its infancy in comparison to other financial tools and currencies. The market greeted them by rewarding them handsomely for their investment. However, the market plummeted dramatically at the end of April and early May. I'm sure you guys know that. The market took a shit back in April and May. But that's a good time to invest, in my opinion. It's a good time to invest because then you're going to see the levels rise again. And then it goes back down and then rises. That's how I see and that's how I look at it in the crypto market, no matter what it is, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Algorand, stable coins maybe, like Tether, Binance, Smart Chain. I could say a whole lot. What else? Yeah, so the market plummeted dramatically at the end of April and early May, depending on the fortune of the vast majority of investors. You also have to look at volume as well too. You see the volume when a stock or a crypto is down right now big, but then you see the volume jump up right away. That's when you're going to see that upwards trend. That's when you're going to see the stock and the crypto be pumped and go up and go down. Another example. As a rapidly embraced asset by investors, sorry, I keep on stumbling my words, man, but hey, free flow, you know what I'm saying? As a rapidly embraced asset by investors and traders, Bitcoin, for example, speculation about price fluctuations has a significant impact on Bitcoin's value at any one time. Investors also get concerned as a result of media outlets. You know, your nice little influencers on YouTube. Yeah, don't listen to them. Seriously. You listen to yourself. That's when I said the 50 hours of homework and research that you do on your computer, like this, like this right here. You stay at home and you know and understand what goes on in the stock market and the crypto market, any kind of crypto project, whether you're staking interest and all that. That's what I like to do. When I'm in the crypto market, I like to look at crypto projects that are essential and that continue to grow. There's this website called bscscan.com. bscscan.com is able to scan these crypto projects and give you coding platforms to be able to tell you whether or not that these programs are legit or not. It's very simple to look at, but that's where the research, again, comes into play. Everything all boils down to your own research, to the credible sources that are out there on the internet. Because there is credible sources. There is. May not seem like it because there's a lot also that are just flat out false. And that's when you have to look at it in the BSC scan. Take a look at these crypto projects. Take a look at the regular crypto, you know? But for me personally, I like to invest in crypto projects. Why? Because I compound interest. I compound an APR and an APY. My current APR right now for this crypto project that I'm in, Osmosis, which I'm going to talk to you guys in about literally 2 minutes. Osmosis. My current APR that I am staking right now with a $500 investment, again, I am not a financial advisor, I am compounding 81% APR. Like really? 81% APR for a 14-day period. Rewards are coming to my pocket every single day. You also have to look at the price that it's at too. And you also have to look at it long term, when it came out, and if the chart is bullish or not. That's it. So, like I said, investors get concerned as a result of media outlets, influencers, opinionated industry moguls, and well-known cryptocurrency supporters, resulting in price volatility. You're going to get those people out there on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, online, Telegram. You're going to get those people that are going to scare the living hell out of you for whatever it may be. We can say Bitcoin again, for example. Oh, Bitcoin's going to crash 100%. You need to sell. You need to sell. You need to sell. Save your money. Save your money. Save your money. But in reality, they're going to sell because they have no idea what the hell is going on in the market. They're going to sell. And the person who said that, I feel like they're going to gain more money because they're telling them to sell. And the price is going to go up right after because that's how volatile it is. Now, guys, I just woke up like literally an hour ago and the burping has been ridiculous. So I apologize. Whew. Let's get into my personal opinion on my crypto project that I am in. I'm only in one right now. I actually just got out of one. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna put them under any type of shade because it just really wasn't working out for me. I've seen more of a loss than I've seen a gain, even though I was compounding an 8% APY interest every single day. But we're not gonna get into that. So, like I said, what is Osmosis? Osmosis is the crypto project that I am in right now. What is it? So Osmosis is an automated market maker or specifically known as AMM, built with the Cosmos SDK. It specializes in the interchain DeFi movement, Tendermint-based blockchains. In the Cosmos ecosystem. Jesus Christ. In other words, Osmosis is a decentralized exchange specifically built for Cosmos, which plans to expand more blockchains. So Cosmos is a blockchain for Osmosis. And to be able to buy it, Osmosis, you have to have Cosmos first. And you're going to have your network fees and everything, yada, yada, yada. There's a whole process. There's a website. There's a blockchain website to be able to scan in Osmosis, see if it's true or not. There's a whole lot of steps when you're working with crypto projects in being able to buy in or sell. Understand the Cosmos ecosystem. This is what everybody needs to know when you're going into a crypto project, especially for Osmosis, if you were to get into it. So understand the Cosmos ecosystem. Number one, Cosmos is an internet of blockchains network in which developers can build interpretable apps. Number two, the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, IBC, is a protocol that relays messages between various independent distributed ledgers. Number three, Tendermint Core is a Byzantine, fault-tolerant engine for building blockchains. It allows developers to write their applications in any type of language and then replicate the app globally. Number four, the automated market maker is a DEX protocol that relies on algorithms to price cryptocurrency assets in liquidity pools. That's where the staking comes into play. Liquidity pools, filling the role of a centralized market maker in an order book method platform. So, at the end of the day, we talked about two things: why small businesses are essential and vital for this world, and Osmosis and cryptocurrency. Why it's volatile. There is millions and millions of reasonings why not to get into cryptocurrency, why to get into cryptocurrency, why to get into stocks, why not to get into stocks. At the end of the day, you need to do your own credible resources. You need to search on the website countless hours. Don't be lazy, because when you're lazy, nothing happens. You say, "Oh, I'm gonna push this. I'm gonna push this to another day. I'm gonna push this till tomorrow." No, you can't do that. You put the work in. You stay in order. You have to stay in order, because if you're all over the place and you're multitasking, some people can do that. I'm not saying anything wrong about multitasking, but when you multitask, me personally, it gets my mind going in a way that it shouldn't be. Because I get fixated on one thing, and then I get fixated on another thing, and then my mind is just going crazy, and I don't know what the hell to do. Because I'll do one thing, and then I'll go to the other thing. I do one thing, I'll go to the other thing, and then my mind's just all over the place, and then I don't even know what the hell I'm doing at this point. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys really like this first video. As I continue to keep on posting videos, you're really not going to be seeing all of this, and I hope you guys like the background. We got the 2 lights and everything. We got the TV in the background too, Nice little table right here. But, I mean, hey, it's all learning curves. It's all trial and error. And this is what I like about being just free. Saying whatever I want to say. And if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, man. I'm not scared to respond to you guys. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether it's just anything. Life in general. You talk to me. I will talk to you. Seriously. I'm here to give back. I'm here to help people. Oh, and just wait on the soccer. Just wait on the soccer information that I'm going to be posting out. Because some of you guys know this already. I am crazy when it comes to soccer. And some of you are just going to be like, whoa, this kid, is crazy. And, that's what I want. That's what I want. I want entertainment. I want to be able to put out entertainment and information all at the same time. So you guys can enjoy it. Simple. Really. I'm not like your... I don't even know how I should really put it. I'm not your ordinary 20-year-old, really. That's just going to college, trying to get a degree to work for somebody. That's not who I want to be. I realized that a year ago when I got into college, that college wasn't going to be for me. It's not going to be for a lot of people. And you're going to have your ups and downs. You're going to have people that are going to be like, why'd you drop out of college? You're a college dropout. You know what? So be it. This is what I would tell them. Why are you worried about me more than you are yourself? When you're your own person. I'm my own person. I'm doing what I have to do to be successful for the future. That's just it. So that's it, guys. I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Seriously. Hope you guys did. Be sure to leave a comment down below, give me a subscribe, and like I said, we're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to talk more information on business standpoints, crypto, more stock standpoints, and then we're obviously getting into soccer. Soccer is probably going to be the most talked about thing, and we're going to have sections in my YouTube channel where they're going to be organized. They're going to be put out into groups where this is going to be all specifically soccer related. And then we're going to have sections that are specifically business related. Then we're going to have sections that are specifically stock and crypto related. So everything is all there for you to look at. And if you don't want to look at business and stocks and you like soccer, we have the soccer there for you. Like I said, this is the first ever video that I am posting out, and I'm going to continue to learn as I make these videos because I tend to get camera shy sometimes, and that's why you probably see me looking more down at my notes than I did at the camera. It's something to learn down the line. And could really care less if you guys disagree with me because I'm my own person, like I said. But I'm out of here, guys. I'll talk to y'all later.